Hello guys, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to add your current city on Facebook, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So before we start, just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first of all, just simply open up your Facebook app, and then after that come to your profile section. In your profile section, just scroll down a little bit, and then here you can see the option of see your about information. Just simply tap on it, and then here you can find the option of add current city near add hometown. Just simply tap on it, and here search for the city in which you live now or which you want to add over there. Once you search for it, whatever it is, I'm just searching anything, select it, and then from here select your visibility. Means to whom you want to show your current city to public, means everyone will be able to see your current city, or your friends, or only you want to see it. Just simply select it what you want, and then once you select it, and select save to save the changes and continue. So here you can see we have just simply added our current city. If you want to add it, just simply tap at this pencil icon. So from here you can add it, or you can simply cut it. You can also change the visibility. Once you're done with all of this stuff, just simply tap at save. And if you have deleted, it will be ask you for delete option. If you have make any change, it will ask you for the save. I have just deleted it, so that's why it has asked me to delete it. Just simply tap on it to continue. Here you can see we have just added it also. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave in the comment section below, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel, and I will be recommending you to check the latest video on the end screen.